So my woodworking buildings are made all from 3 mil MDF, and you start out with a little shell, and then what you do is you get a picture, and your picture becomes your building. So you use lots of different techniques. You use coffee stirring sticks, you use powders, and that's basically it. And when you want to make your windows, you use X-ray film and you scribe it so it looks like LED lighting. You use tar to make your roofs, and you cut all your little tiles, throw them all in a bag, and then stick them all on one by one.
Wow, impressive.
So lots and lots of different ways you can make things. You can also use balsa, and you can start out with a really cheap little building like this, which looks like this underneath. So all your scraps can become really good little buildings.
All handmade.
Oh, there, and there we go.
So much detail.
Yep.
Perfect.